Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use item categorization in QuickBooks Online. This feature helps you organize your products and services into logical groups, making it much easier to track inventory, run reports, and understand which product categories are driving your business revenue. Let's start by opening QuickBooks Online and navigating to the Sales section in the left menu. This is where you'll manage everything related to your products, services, and customer transactions. Once you're there, click on Products and Services. This area displays all the items you sell, and it's where we'll be setting up your categories. Now, look for the More drop-down button, typically located near the top of the page. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Manage Categories. This takes you to the category management screen where you can create, edit, or delete product categories that align with your business structure to create a new category. Click the New Category button. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your category. Type in a category name that makes sense for your business. For example, if you run a cafe, you might type coffee as one of your categories. This helps you group related items together for better organization. Here's where it gets interesting. If you want to create a subcategory under a main category, check the box that says is a subcategory. Then select the main category from the drop-down menu. For instance, if you have a main category called beverages, you could add coffee or tea as subcategories beneath it. This hierarchical structure gives you more detailed reporting and organization. Once you've entered your category details, click Save. Now that your categories are set up, go back to Products and Services. Here you'll see your full list of products and services. Find a product you want to categorize and click Edit in the Action column next to that item. This opens the Product Details page where you can modify various settings. Look for the category drop-down menu in the Product Details. Click on it and select the appropriate category. For example, you might select beverages coffee if you're categorizing a latte or espresso product. This drop-down will display all your main categories and their subcategories in an easy-to-navigate format. Finally, click Save to apply the category to your product. Repeat this process for all your products and services, and you'll soon have a well-organized catalog that makes reporting and inventory management significantly easier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.